Papa hopeless. As someone ba obi e can be. You have the right. So watching. But don't try to threat me.
I'm going to dare her. What parfait no koi. One more Hopeson and one more me press gifted in. Remember that damn wokruma.
So what your bear man was so shwa. Now what boss? Bomidi Agradaa. You have thrown the challenge. And I am here to throw the same challenge to you.
We appointee our present government. Now who Agradaa so bell now we jinaho. Now what chiao keke and Samahama Pamu. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Well, here attention keke. Sadi no kokoye no. Eye boapayo. Hey, what did my term what did me that and be decided semimuano. But I'm going to dare her. What parfait no koi. One more Hopeson and one more me press gifted in. Remember that damn wokruma. No what the 800 no abred back.
I'm stopping.
And this boy is munkoteho. Odu ha mumpono.
Papa hopeless. As someone ba obi e can be. You have the right. So watching. But don't try to threat me. Mr. Hopeless, aka Metal Wheelchair. Papa, we a coward. What about threaten me? Send me body. Now me body. You will arrest me and take me to court. Papa, so what your bear man was so shwa. Now what boss? Bomidi Agradaa. I will arrest you and take you to court and prosecute you and put you into your level. Who dares you? How dares you? Asama ba wo chira waje will be a chena jane. You get the capacity to leave your wife over there and come and disrespect me. So one so we a bema bomidi emla ni obi adia. The law is not for anybody. The law is there for everybody. So if you are a man and you are not a coward, as you were sitting there refusing to mention my name, Mr. Hopeless, aka Wheelchair, I will put you into your position. You have been tried several times to disrespect me. By this time around, if you are a man with balls, if you are a man, as you are sitting on the radio trying to bring my credibility down, mention my name, Midin at the Agradaa, I will arrest you. You have thrown the challenge, and I am here to throw the same challenge to you. So you bema ashwa a boto, and you have go to radio station, sawko kamasem, and you are putting warning. Some of your ba mimo wiridi na mimo din. I was expecting you, if you are not a coward, you will mention my name. Mention my name for me to know you are talking about me, Agradaa. I will put you into your position. I will put you into your level. You are nobody in front of me. Let me tell you, respect yourself. You can't bring your nonsense in front of me. I have not come to your level. You have been disrespecting me over years, over time, insulting me, radio station to another radio station. But this time around, if my matter has come and you are trying, say you share your opinion, don't come and threat me. Bekami entia, wo bomi yiridin, na wo bomi dia, mechinetum. Papa, I am putting it to you. If you are a man, bomi din, I will arrest you. I will prosecute you. I will put you into your position. You are fooling too much in this country. If you are a man, come out and mention my name for me to start with you.
happening today regarding Sammy Jemfi. She near air course on one. Like Utimi who say Nipa be jai papaye. Especially appointees. Near Essi Sabe Yasomuna Koka no. Would you before summer class 7 so? We appointee our present government. Now who Agradaa adwa Brutaaa na wujina ho. Na wo chia okeke ezise mahama pamu. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Now here attention keke. Sadi no kokoye no. Eye boapayo. Hey, wa dimatem wa dimi that can be decided semimuano. But I'm going to dare her. What parfum nekui. One more Hopeson and one more me press gifted in. Remember that damn wokruma. Would you me say but to a challenge? So I saw your bapa. One day one more meeting. No only matem. Mechi na tum. Na me dina kokoto so. Ah, how can you do that? Yeah, maybe. Sammy Jemfi ayida ne video so. Ana wo kasa na de wa say kasa no. Wo ye ndisi ni awakoma beti. Look, Sammy Jemfi should call this woman and tell her say free and with immediate effect. On person na within ebe pfi na no biom. On person obehu ni mfoni e won a page biom. He should be able to do that. Yamu biya is of no effect because he am Sammy Jemfi. Sammy Jemfi should call him. Hey, one yin na do film man on body defense bi ama no. Because near wo je no, wo shempo for bufu. Look, baby asem ni see no. Bia me call eye ni bi. Ba be free honu man sasa me mo eba. Ye free honu ma ye eba no. I mean, emrantie ne mabo honorable baby kakama ni ade. Eye boni. Sa obe mo bibibi. Me mo bia me so wan ye monje na monche. Na wo hwe sa video ni wie pa. Na wo hwe se na no se harase Samia. Samia obia oyefe. O sa twin de ka. So ne no. Look, in opposition. One day, na me wo region bisa. Ana me ja ko free Samia. O se na o he ana me so. O se oh, oni agra me se ai. Oh, we dey nka me pefu e kakra ma o. In opposition. Wo me na me ka kire o. Number 4 campaign was one of the regions. Sammy Jemfi. Then na me say. And I'm say oh, and they me send you na fato account to me mama na. I know you account in there. And I'm say okay. Was say okay, why you know a bit my family me say I. Me say was sending Miska I was shocked. Sammy Jemfi. This is the guy in the opposition. Sir, Mohu there etieno. Before say me ba ho. Video ya ye. Won say o sha se no. Na ne kunu wo koka no na ne kunu twen. The phone no start. Was starting so wo twa. But now Agradaa kunu but sa video we na nkasa no. No be gina de kunu na chi. Am say na sorry mani bi. Or no aka kire o mu so o mu twa. Anu wo twa to mo ko wura ka no no. Wo free the left side, ever right side. So be capture sika no. Sabe obi na wo ni sika. Last time be tie Sammy. What's over 24 years no? No over 50 acres. Na you can say 50 workers. E wo na dwuma mu a wo twa omuka. Na de ye du kuma say ase nim Sammy Jemfi ne lounge ni ade. Wo du ho adwumra say ni amanfo gu ho ni ade. So wo ne ete no. Eti say wo enye say wa bat keke
ama papa ye no.
Me na me ka cho. Enye say wa bat keke no say o Agradaa ho fenti jisika.
Program.
No. Wo na wo ka che ni say wo hia fuel.
And wo ma.
Wo hwa kra na Sammy e sheda muwa no. Wo de hwe said no yes oh ade yanko kadum na me nkwaje yanko kadum na me nkwaje e dey just am koko original ka mu not know we say obi video eti boni ben say wo hu obi na nipa ne se osika na wo ma ni bi na afi ababedane
we are government appointee
just we government appointee ababedane boni e bra no wo position no cha microphone sika dey tira mwanga but we are make contact for this
shut up
be say Sammy Jemfi obi a wotie bibia ebia no aye busy mon kanche ne say won fa phone ene yan Agradaa mon kanche ne say with immediate effect on person obebonidin with immediate effect on person within the picture ebeto ni page so oh yes sir
on stopping no
asem na be ko
on blocking no kra
e be ko fom kra anafe matisi okeka se obehwehwe bebi asami gemfi office wo na wo de 800 no abrand back
I'm stopping no
and this boys mun kwete ho odu ho amompo no
oh that be
hey me
no
that put it
no
it's a brother I see some kokop
no
Mugabe Mugabe
no
mami ni film
thank you
be say omun kobo sami gemfi hu ban
fantastic
so what do wa mun papa da ni so
oh that be oh say take it out please we are here to educate, to inform and to entertain. Take it out for
inform me na me inform mo say what do wa mun papa da ni so
all due respect to my senior brother take that word out please with all due
me say sami gemfi office
we try
me nka tie me mami position me
ebro ne there with all due respect
Mugabe
no
mami position me what am me ba
no
before say
the microphone is off with all due respect take that word
before I say me out no mami position answer ma taking it out man ka say mon kobro no me say o momra sami gemfi office o momma sami gemfi office
o protect no
adia what wouldn't said
you've not taken it out
till wouldn't send you what cost this government
no but you've not taken it out
what say
no take that side no your papa and so take it out
office what you oba ho papa
Hopeson with all due respect